In the sentence he is in a great hurry today, the preposition in is used to indicate the state or condition of being in a hurry. In this context, in is used to mean experiencing or undergoing, emphasizing that he is currently in a state of hurry. This is a common way to use in to describe a relationship between a person and a temporary state or condition, such as she is a good mood, he is in pain. The preposition in here helps to connect the person to the state. It's a way to describe his correct emotional or physical condition. Using in this way is a common way to express state or condition, emotion or feeling, a specific mental or physical state. Note that in can also imply a sense of temporariness, the hurry is temporary, intensity, the hurry is strong or extreme, a specific context or situation, he is in a hurry today but not always. In this case, in a great hurry is a idiomatic expression that means extremely rushed or urgently busy, and in is used to connect the person to the state. It's worth nothing that in is often used to indicate a state or condition, whereas on might be used to indicate a specific task or activity. He is on a deadline. In the sentence we took a car on hire, the preposition on is used to indicate the basis or terms of the action. In this context, on is used to mean by means of or under the terms of, emphasizing that the car was taken through a hiring process. This is a common way to use on to describe a relationship between an action or event and a basis, condition or terms, such as I bought the house on credit, she took the job on condition. The preposition on here helps to connect the action to the basis or terms. It's a way to describe how or under what conditions the action was taken. Using on in this way is a common way to express basis or terms, condition or provision, a specific arrangement or agreement. Note that on can also imply a sense of provision or supply. The car was provided on hire, temporary or short term arrangement. The car was taken on hire for a limited time. A specific service or facility. Hire is a service providing temporary use of a car. In this case, on hire is an idiomatic expression that means for a temporary period or under a hiring agreement, and on is used to connect the action to the basis or terms. It's worth nothing that on is often to indicate the basis or terms of an action, whereas by might be used to indicate the means or method. We took a car by rental agency.